And welcome back to Home Brewing 101, brought to you by Photography of Ozzy. We are now ready to start bottling. It took a little bit longer because the yeast went a little bit metabolically inactive due to a cold temperature, but a little bit of hot water over the top helped it out quite a lot. As you can see from the hydrometer, we are at about 1.016. That's exactly what we really want. And now we will start the bottling process. I will see you guys there. And now we prime the brew. So we need to get a scale and a Pyrex container so that it doesn't, crack under the strain of the hot water. So we turn this on. If you don't have a scale, it's usually about 3/4 of a cup, I think, for the 5 gallons. Yeah, rule of thumb is about 1 ounce per gallon for priming the final product. So we want to go ahead and zero that. And corn sugar, as opposed to the table sugar or like maybe brown sugar, is a solid saccharide source, shall we say. So we've got that to zero. And just take a spoon, and we want to get this to 5 ounces. One half. So about 10 of these should be about what we need. There's one. 1 3/4. 72. 2 3/4. 3 1/4. And maybe 2 more. It's 4 1/2. So very small amount. Okay, that would be about 5 ounces, I think. But the scale kind of went off. So we will then, let me see, make an estimate here. Yeah, that should be fine. Here we go. So, take this off. Put the siphon inside. And we put the sugar into the brew bucket where we're going to be moving the brew and bottling from. And then, in order to get it mixed up, before we put the brew in, we use some boiled water. Helps to dissolve the sugar. And now, like before, we just transfer. And once again, we just let that go. And now we move on to bottling the final brew. So here we go. No bottles of beer being primed, no bottles of beer. Fill one up right. Cap it on tight. 1 bottle of beer being primed. 1 bottle of beer being primed. 1 bottle of beer. Fill one up right. I said fill it up right. Wait for it. Cap it on tight, etc., etc., etc. And the bottling is complete, and I give you my herd of gold spotted cow. Now luckily, the vintage required for beer is nowhere near that needed for wine, so it should be good and carboxylated in 2 weeks. And then we have a party. Thank you for watching, happy brewing.